Excuse me, my room is already full and there is more time, but I'll just no matter what I do.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, Mom. May I know your room number, please?
Room 203, I've been trying turning it up, but I'm still busy.
Thank you for letting us know. I called maintenance right away to check the issue. In the meantime, would you like an extra blanket?
Yes, please, that would help a lot.
Hi, maintenance. Can you please check the thermostat in room 203? The guest said it's not working.
Good afternoon, Mom. I'm here to check your thermostat. It's nice, just need to basic.
That's been super cold since this morning.
There we go. It should start warming up in a few minutes. I will double check everything to be sure.
That's great, thank you so much.
We apologize for the inconvenience and thank you for your patience. Please let us know if you need anything else.
No problem, I really appreciate your quick. Hi, good afternoon. The blackout curtains in my room don't fully close and the sunlight keeps coming in.
I'm so sorry about that, Mom. May I know your room number, please?
Room 310 tried fixing myself, but there's still a gap in the middle.
Thank you for letting us know. I asked your housekeeping staff to check and fix it right away. Hi, can someone please check the curtains in room 310? They don't close properly.
Good morning, Mom. I heard about the curtain issue. Let me take a look.
Yes, I don't know all the way and I'd like to
See the problem. The hooks are lost. I will fix them now. It should only take a few minutes.
Thank you so much.
We apologize for the inconvenience and thank you for your patience.
No worries, I appreciate the little response. Hi there, I would like to check in please.
Of course, Mom. May I have your booking confirmation, please?
Oh, I don't have one, I just decided to stay here tonight. And honestly, I think she'd be free.
I'm sorry, Mom, but all guests must have a reservation and payment to stay.
But come on, the hotel looks empty, just one room.
I understand your concern, but that's against hotel policy. I will call our manager to assess you.
Good afternoon, I'm the manager. I was told you like a complimentary stay.
Yes, exactly. I think should be mistaken from free, just one for 1 night.
I'm sorry, Mom, but we can only offer free stays with proper authorization or promotions. However, I can help you find an available room and discuss our guest rate.
Fine, just book it then.
Thank you for understanding. Let's get the check-in properly.
Deep, 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 deep.